Unit 2, Back to Green. Polly is waiting for her chicks. When will my chicks come out? Polly, are the chicks out? No, I am waiting. These are Polly's eggs. I am out. The first little parrot comes out. The second little parrot comes out. I am out too. The third little parrot comes out. Now there are 3 parrots. I am Jill. I am Dill. My name is Rill. Jill has a big beak. Dill has long legs. Rill has a red ring. 1, 2, 3. Jill, Dill, and Rill fly and fly up in the sky. Jill, Dill, and Rill play around. Rill flies away. Ouch! Red! Rill falls into a tin. There is red paint in it. Rill was green. Now he is red. He walks home. Rill is sad. He walks away. Come, it is raining. It started raining. Rill, my dear, hurrah! I am green again. Now Rill is green. All are happy.